So we do have Nadula hair in the building. We do have the Wear and Go bob wig. Baby, it's the bob for me, okay? So the lace does come pre-cut, pre-plucked, and look at those knots, baby. What bleach? Because I ain't bleaching it, okay? So this is the overall construction of the unit. As you guys can see, this is the elastic band, this is the combs, and again, this elastic band, you can tighten it and you can loosen it to your liking. This is key to having your wigs glueless. So we're gonna put her on for the first time, okay? I'm just adjusting it, and bam, this is what she looks like straight out the box. I have not washed her or conditioned her. I'm tightening the band in the back. She's giving straight up scout. Don't play with Nadula. I don't care what nobody says. Okay, it's giving relaxer vibes, and I'm here for that all day, every day. It's got a lot of body and bounce. And baby, I'm just shaking my head around so you guys can see that this wig is not gonna fly off your head, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and tint the lace. I'm just going in with my Kiss Tintation spray. This is in the shade medium brown, and we're just gonna spray that bad boy up. Now I'm just going in with my blow dryer on a cool heating setting, and I'm just gonna allow it to dry. All right, so this is what it looks like. You see what it gives just from me tinting it. And like I said, I did not bleach those knots because you do not need to. Look how good this is. This is giving straight up scalp. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and straighten up the part. Okay, my part got a little lost in the sauce from me shaking my heat around. So we're just gonna fix that back on up. And then we're just gonna go in with my wax stick, and I'm just gonna lightly press this product all over the hairline, and we're just gonna follow right up with our hot comb. Now I don't like to use a lot of wax anymore because I know it weighs down my hair and make it look a little stringy, so I do be very light-handed when it comes down to my wax. We got a little bit of summer left, and I want to be cool as possible, and I said let me just bring out the bob, okay? So look how good this looks. I only pressed it out, okay? I only pressed it out, and I'm just running my comb through there to show y'all it is glueless. Don't play with it. But today, since I am going to be showing you guys different styles with this unit, I am going to secure it down, all right? So I'm just taking about 3 to 4 layers of my lace spray by Kiss, and I'm just going to push that product back into my hairline. I am going to follow up with my blow dryer on a cool heating setting and wait till that product is tacky, and we're just going to adhere that right on down. And watch how this bad boy melt. Like, I'll be getting so excited for the melting portion because that is key. Like, I want that lace to melt. Like, it melted without the lace spray. So I'm just pushing the back of my comb into my forehead so everything can blend. And baby, don't play. Nadula did the dang thing with this hairline, okay? Don't even play. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and push everything back into a ponytail, and we're gonna put our elastic band on. We let that sit for about 3 to 5 minutes, and boom, she's giving what lace? Baby, when I say this lace disappears, baby, it dissipated because what lace? Don't play with it. Okay, let me stop saying that. I'm gonna say that the whole video. But it looks so mother freaking good. So y'all already know me. When I'm sitting up here playing around with it, y'all know I'm gonna pull some baby hairs out. I wish I didn't because when I ended up styling it, the baby hairs wasn't needed. But we're just gonna go ahead and do our baby hairs anyway. So I just took a section out. I cut at an angle, and I just used my 1-inch Kiss flat iron, and we just rolled that baby away from my face. I'm just taking some edge control. This is like Kiss's edge control. I just took any edge control that I had and swoop doop doop doop. Now be mindful, I think this is a 5x5 closure. So we're gonna style this because I'm gonna show y'all how versatile 5x5 closures are. You do not need a full lace frontal to do certain styles. So look at that baby hair though, okay? I do want to show you guys what the wig looks like before I actually do other styles with it. So I just took my Sebastian hairspray and, you know, sprayed it towards the front. All right, so now I'm just gonna add some cream foundation to my middle part so it can pop just a little bit, but this just looks so like scalp. It's just ridiculous. And I'm also just gonna trim up the end so everything could be nice and cohesive. You don't have to do this step. I was gonna cut it real short, but I got scared, so I was just like, yeah, no, let's not. And I'm just going in and just pressing out the hair with my Tymo brush. I think that's what it's called. Check your description section, everything's there. And I'm just brushing under so it can have like a little bump to it, a little bit of definition, but I do go in and just trim up certain areas. And this is the back. This is how everything looks once I straighten it out. Okay. So this is how the bob turns out. I wanted to style it as is. You know, I did trim it up a little bit like I just stated in my last clip. But she cute. So if you just want to wear in the middle part bob with, you know, a little bit of baby hairs and whatnot. She giving, don't play. She gives fresh relaxer. I'm here for this style. Super cute. So next I was just playing with this. I was like, let me try 2 peaky tails. Okay, so I just parted a little bit on the side. And, you know, I added some concealer to the part so it can pop too. But I'm just going to add my black rubber bands to both sides. And boom. Okay, so just 2 cute little peaky tails. Okay, so now I'm doing a half up, half down. Like, we cannot not do that because, like, it... So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and comb the middle part out and put a little rubber band on. But this is definitely bringing me back to my high school days because around about this time, this was the length of my actual hair. I actually was getting relaxers back then. So this was a go-to style for me, minus the baby hairs, because when I was in high school, we wasn't doing baby hairs. I wish we was because it would have made the style cuter, but this was one of my go-to styles. So I'm just gonna poof this ponytail part up in the bed. And baby, it's giving high school me because this was exactly how I was wearing my hair. And the texture and everything looked exactly like this because, like I said, my hair was relaxed then. And that was that. You couldn't tell me nothing in high school, period, okay? And then I did pull it up in a little bun, too, if you want to do a little bun. So, yeah, that's another cute style. All right, so this style I seen on Pinterest, I didn't execute it properly. I probably gonna go back and do it again with another unit. But anyway, I'm just gonna part out 2 pieces of hair like such. And I wanted to do like a diagonal part, but I don't know what happened to this clip. I don't know what happened to the light, and everything was just going crazy in this clip. So I did want to do like a diagonal part right here and, you know, put it up in the ponytail as well. So this is how this style turned out. Like I said, I felt like it was a cute little vibe. Again, like I said, I do want to redo this style, but I feel like it was cute. So yeah, let's just move on to the last style. All right, so lastly, we're just gonna go in and do a side part swoop. So I'm like, let me try a swoop. I could have actually did the side part as well, but I wasn't even thinking. But we're just gonna do a swoop and call it a day. So overall, I'm gonna rate this unit a 10 out of 10 because, like, one of my favorite units for the summer because, of course, it's short. It's a Bobbiana. Okay, she wasn't stiff and started her straight out the box. I did get a few shedding here and there. Did do some shedding on me, not too much. I didn't get any tangling at all. Like I said, it was a very, very affordable unit. Anybody can buy it. It's like $100 and some change. So that is good for the girls. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And until my next video, your girl will see you later. And also, the link to this unit will be listed in the description section below. Talk to you there. Bye.